Welcome to day 12 of our 30-day ethical hacking reel challenge. Today, we're tackling the notorious brute force attacks, where hackers relentlessly try different password combinations to break into accounts. To fortify your defenses against brute force attacks, here are 3 key solutions you can implement. Firstly, use strong, unique passwords for each account. Avoid common phrases or easily guessable patterns to thwart brute force attempts. Secondly, implement account lockout policies. Set thresholds for unsuccessful login attempts and temporarily lock accounts to prevent further brute force attacks. And finally, consider using multi-factor authentication, MFA. Adding an extra layer of security beyond passwords can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Stay tuned for more insights in the coming days. Follow us for daily ethical hacking tips and safeguard your digital assets effectively. Don't forget to save this video for future reference.